Alright, got me this Brinks. This is one of my favorite locks. It's fun to pick. Cool little old shrouded lock. I don't think they actually make these models. But it's got, a good bit of security pins in it. It's not, it's not super, super overdone security wise. It's a fun, challenging pick. You can't gut it, unfortunately, but I don't think they make this model anymore. I could be wrong, but yeah, it's a fun pick. If I can get this to, might need a different tensioner to make some more. Well, this is my homemade tensioner. Try it. Got a little false set going. Light top of the keyway tension. Ooh, definitely overset one. The back. Definitely got some spools. Oh yeah, nice deep false set there. Uh-oh. And she's picked. It's a fun one. Lots of spools and serrated in there. 5-pinner. It's a good fun pick. It was my homemade pick that I used. If you can see it on the camera, but a couple different ones that I've made.